How to change username on Sweatcoin. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Sweatcoin application on your phone. Here we go. Now tap on the circle icon with your initials on the top left corner right here. Okay, now just beside the gear icon of settings, you can see an icon of pencil which is for edit. So just tap on it. Now after tapping on it, you'll come across this page where you can change your name and username as well. So in order to change your username, just go to the field of username and then just change your username according to your wish. Okay, then just tap on Save Changes. And at last, you can see that my username has been changed. So this was it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.